Slide number 30. As we discussed the note value, the rest value, now we discuss this. Some symbols are used for other notes which are not the white ones. When you alter a sound, you need to show some signs that we have altered the sound and what they are. How do we understand them? Let's talk about one note. It applies for all the notes. Suppose if you take the middle C, now the C is a natural one. If I move to the next black key on the top, that is called sharpening of the sound. The sound got sharpened, so it moved up. So moved up is called the sharpening of the sound. It is being denoted by the sign sharp. So C is normal, and which is called the natural sign. We have a natural sign at the bottom, and that is the natural C, and we had the C sharp. So suppose if we take the D, I have my D. If I want to know the sharp, I move to the right forward. So the sound has increased. So that's the D sharp. D sharp. Again, D natural. Suppose I come backwards. So that is called flat. You are going backwards. You are lowering the sound of the D. D. You went backwards. So that's the meaning of sharp, natural, and the. So this will be applicable throughout the music with whatever instrument you use.